Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, whatever time of the day it is in your neighborhood. Welcome to Essential Piece of Life. My name is Lasagna. Well, you guys, I am at it again. I'm trying to finish up the last of these robes. I got one more to do. I figured I will come on here and talk with you guys and just show you what I'm doing. All right. So I am working with these robes. This is it. I also have some foot soak here. I had another idea when I bought those to do something else with it, but this turned out to be what it is, okay? This is a 4-piece blemish control facial set from the Dollar Tree. Blemish control, and actually the ingredients that's in it, I'm sure it'll do just what it says it'll do. And of course, you know, we want to see results. We have to be using something anywhere 3 to 5 days. You should see a difference, but 7 to 10 days, issues should be somewhat resolved. All right, so here we go. We got a foot set. I'm going to be using this gray towel, and I'm also going to be using one of these trays. And yeah, so I'm also going to be using one of these trays that say keys, okay? And we're going to be using this tub here from the Dollar Tree, okay? All right, so let's see if we can get this done. So this is me reusing some paper from another bag that I've had. And this is some packing paper. Just regular old packing paper, fam. I don't need anything that's gonna be really heavy duty, because the items that I'm putting in here doesn't require that. And the way that I'm assembling this basket, it doesn't require that. So give me a minute where I crumble up this paper. I guess if I'm not going to talk to you, I might as well play you guys some music, huh? All right. So that didn't take much. Like I said, the items that I'm putting in here are not, I do not need the paper to be heavy duty to hold it. All right. And you're going to see why in a minute. All right. So let's go ahead and prepare this robe. Alright, so I'll take it off of there. I don't need that. And I'm going to take out the cardboard that is in here. I'm going to take this one out. And I remember how it's placed in there. Take this one out, and what I did was I got a sturdier cardboard and I made sure that I traced it that it would be the same size. And I'm going to place this one inside. I'm going to replace it with this cardboard because this one I'm going to be definitely going to be hot using my shrink wrap bags. So yeah, definitely I'm gonna need this to be in a cardboard that is suitable. All right, so that is that. All right, so I was putting, oh, this goes back over here on the top of this like that. Flip that back over like that, okay? So that is the robe. Okay. And I have, okay, this goes on this one. Oh, how I forgot that. Okay, so that goes there. All right, so this comes off. This headband that is attached to it is coming off. I'm going to put that someplace else. All right, so here we go. I need to push this down a little bit more. This is too much sticking up at the top here. Okay, so that's the robe. And what I need to do with the robe is make sure I have that little fold up there. And I also want to make sure that I put some stretchy cord around it. I think at this point the stretchy cord is out of habit. I think I'm putting the stretchy cord around it out of habit because I really don't need it the way that I'm putting this stuff in here. That stuff don't need nothing to anchor to, but this is pretty much out of habit while I'm putting it on here because I done put it on all my other robes, put the cord around it. So anyway, if it ain't broke, fam, don't even try to fix it, okay? So I tie that, and you can use fishing line, you can use a, I could have used a ribbon, I could have tied anything around here. Some jute, some string, some whatever. I could have used any of those things to tie on here and do the, and it'll give me the, would have given me the same results. Okay. All right. So that is that, the robe, and that robe is gonna go right in the back of there. Okay. But before I do that, what I want to do is attach this keys thing to here. And I am going to put it right inside, more to the right side, because most of my stuff going to be sitting on the right side. I'm going to be putting it more to the right side than to be centered. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a glue dot on each side. And this is going to go down in here. And it is going to glue right on there like that, okay? And then, alright, so this is going to go down. Where's my tape? Excuse me. I'm just going to put that back like that. Alright, so this is going to go on here. And I just want to hold that down right there. And I'm going to put this on the back of here like this. Okay. So like I said about my other rows, this right here is just going to anchor to each other and kind of sort of balance each other out. And also this bag of foot soap or whatever, it is keeping this down as well. So it's doing two things at one time. Okay. Alright. So that and that. And then this is going to go on this side, on the inside of this. And it is going to go down behind that tray. And so like I said, it's pretty much balancing each other out. Okay. Alright, so that's that. And then we have this that's going over here. Hold on. We'll go ahead and put some shred right here. In these little spots here. Go ahead and put some shred there. Alright. There go the road coming out. And look at that one bad apple. Influencing all his other friends back there. It ain't got nothing to do with what he doing right here. Oh my goodness. Alright, so that's that. Come back up there. I see you. Okay. Help myself with this problem here. Okay. Listen, I told y'all the other day one monkey don't stop no show. Now what we doing right now is making sure that all the pieces, all the key pieces are in place. Alright fam, so we got this on here. Alright, so what we're gonna do here next is put these other little pieces up here. And I'm gonna put them up here, sit them up here. Okay. Yes. Alright. Now once I get them where I need them to be, then I can put some little glue dots on there. And that's gonna hold that down. What you in there showing out for? Why you in there showing out before? What you doing, Nana? Hey, Nana trying to put that basket together. He got his own little show going on. Show do. He got his own little show going on. Say this better than the big screen. This better than the big screen. Sure enough. Yeah. That's better than the big screen. Alright, so I done ran out of glue dots. So I'm about to put this little tape on the bottom of here and send this one out on the wing and the prayer. What we gonna do with that. All right, so once we got that on there, what we're gonna do is take this little towel and we're gonna make it into a cute little fan or whatever. And then we're gonna put a little flower on there. All right, so we got this little flower we're gonna put on there. Okay. All righty. And all we're gonna do with this right here is just make it into a little fan. Check it out. We are not gonna make this complicated. We're gonna fold this like this. Fold it back like that. Fold it back like that. Fold it back like this. Okay. And we just keep doing it like that till we get down to the end, okay? All right. And then what we're gonna do is take some of our stretchy cord, because right now we don't have our rubber bands. Otherwise, I would put a rubber band on it. I would tie it up with a rubber band, but this stretchy cord will stretch all the way around there, and I just tie a couple of knots in that, and it's almost like putting a rubber band on it. But I would put a rubber band on. That's how I do my socks, and that's what I would do with this also. If I had the rubber bands right here with me, that's what I would do. Okay. But I got a little piece of stretchy cord that I cut off my robe, and so that's all good. So we got that on there. All right. So if it's right there in the middle, I can peel that back a little bit. I can peel this up a little bit, right? And I can sit that right there. Okay. Sit it right there, and then what I'm gonna do is take my little flower. Just peel it right off of there, right? And so we got this little thing sticking up behind here. So we're gonna put a little glue dot on there. And oh my goodness, I ran out of glue dots, y'all. Okay, I might have one right here. I can get off of here. Let's see. Yeah. So I just need to put that little glue dot on there, and I'm gonna stick it right to that stretchy cord. Okay, put that right in the middle of there. See how they work? Okay, see how they work? All right. So that's it, fam. That is it. So we got all of that, all three of those done, and oh, never mind. I got this right here to put up there. So this is my little headband. We're gonna put this one over here in the corner. Just gonna put it right there in the corner. It'll stay right there because we're gonna shrink wrap this bag anyway. And it's gonna stay right there. All right. So that is it, fam. That is it for that concept. All right. So we have 4 of those that we did. You see 3 of them here on the table. I might have a thumbnail opportunity here. Let's see. Oh snap, hold on. What? All right, so anyway, that is it, fam. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.